Let's talk about finding the probability of a simple event. In a sample space of equally likely outcomes, the probability of an event denoted as P open and close parentheses A is computed on the basis of favorable outcomes and the number of possible outcomes. So here is the formula. The probability of an event is equal to the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of possible outcomes. Let's have an example. A circle is divided into 12 equal parts to form a spinner and was colored as shown in the right side. What is the probability of getting the red color? The first step here is to find the total number of the sample space. When we say sample space, ito yung kabuuang bilang ng lahat ng possible outcomes, lahat ng posibleng makuha or pagtigilan ng araw na ito, okay? So, para lang itong color wheel. So, lahat po ng kulay dito ay possible outcomes. Okay, so let's count the possible outcomes. Okay, we have N is equal to, unahin natin yung kulay na may pinakamababang bilang ng part. So, we have yellow. Ilan ang yellow natin? Isa. Let's rate 1 plus yung second na maraming parts, which is yung blue and green. So, blue, meron tayong tatlo. 1, 2, 3. 3 blues. We also have 3 for green. 1, 2, 3. Next, this is 3. Okay, next is yung pinakamaraming kulay, which is red. Ilan to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have 5 reds. So, ang gagawin lang natin is, hahanapin natin yung sum ng lahat ng part ng spinner na ito. So, 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5. Okay, so we have 12. Very good. Okay, so we have 12 possible outcomes or 12 ang ating sample space. Okay? Next is to get the total number of favorable outcomes. When we say favorable outcomes, ito yung the probability of getting red color. Getting red color. So, ibig sabihin, hahanapin natin or bibilangin natin kung ilan yung red dito. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ito yung number na favorable outcomes natin. So, isusulat lang natin ay N 5. Okay? Next, pag nasulat nyo na si number ng ating possible outcomes and favorable outcomes, pwede na nating isolve yung probability. So, gagamitin natin yung formula natin, which is the probability of an event is equal to the number of favorable outcomes divided by the number of possible outcomes. So, next slide tayo. Okay, so, ayan. Since naisulat nyo naman na, burahin na natin to. Okay. So, N or the probability of an event, oh sorry, this is P. Yan. Is equal to, yan, number of favorable outcomes, which is 5. 5 over number of the possible outcomes, which is 12. Okay, so kapag pwede yung i-lowest term, ila-lowest term po ito. If hindi naman pwede, this is the final answer. Like 5 over 12, wala na po tayong lowest term ng 5 over 12. So pwede na nating i-convert ito sa decimal form. So paano kayo magko-convert ng decimal form? Divide lang po. 5 divided by 12. So, add 0. Ano? Kamali ako. 0 point. Ayan. So, we have 50 divided by 12. So, we have 4, 48, 2, 0. 20 divided by 12. We have 1. 1 times 12, 12. Okay, so kapag ka naka at 2 digit na kayo, pwede nyo na siyang itigil. Okay, so 5 over 12 or 0.41 or sa percent, ko-convert natin sa percent, imumove lang natin yung decimal point ng 2 places to the right. Okay, so magiging 41% na siya. So, ito yung probability na makakakuha tayo ng red color. So, kapag kainikot natin itong spinner na ito, 41% is the probability of getting red color. Okay? So, let's have another example. You can screenshot this. Here. Okay. Next. A bag contains 12 blue marbles, 7 yellow marbles, 13 orange marbles, and 8 black marbles. A marble is picked at random. Find the probability that you will get blue marbles, letter A, yellow marbles, and black marbles. So, let's solve first for the blue marbles. Okay, so before we solve for the blue marbles, let's get first the number of sample space. So n is row of 12 plus 7 plus 13 plus 8. Okay. Row of 12 plus 7, 19 plus 13. We have 40 marbles total. So, meron tayong 40 marbles sa loob ng bag. So, this is the number of possible outcomes. Okay, meron na tayong possible outcomes, which is yung 40. Next, pwede nating isolve yung probability. Okay? So, sa blue marbles, meron tayong 12 blue marbles. So, P is equal to E equals 12 na marbles sa taas yung yan. And then 40. So, we have 12 over 40. So, pwede pa itong malawest term. I-divide lang sa 4. Okay? So, 12 divided by 4, we have 3. 40 divided by 4, 10. So, 3 over 10. So, let's get the decimal form. Okay. 3 divided by 10. Ayan. So, we have 0.3 or 0.30. So, get the percent form. We have 30%. So, this is the final answer. For blue marbles. So, hindi pa tayo tapos. So, kukuhanin pa natin si yellow marble. So, ayan. Let's proceed to letter B. Okay. Yellow marbles. Ilan ba ang ating yellow marbles? So, we have 7 yellow marbles. Okay, i-highlight natin, no? para makita nyo, no? Yan. 7 yellow marbles. Gawin natin yellow. Okay. So we have 7 yellow marbles. So let's find the probability, no? Of P of E is equal to, ilan ulit yung favorable outcome? 7. 7 yellow marbles. And yung sample space, we have 40. Okay. Isulat na natin to. Okay. Ang blue marbles ay 3/10 or 30%. Okay, next. We have 7/40. Tingin nyo ba, pwede pa natin i-lowest term to? Hindi na po. Ang gagawin lang natin is kukuhanin na natin yung decimal form. Okay? So, 7 divided by 40. 17 divided by 40. Okay, so kapag nakadalawa na tayong digit, so pwede nyo nang itigil. So, 7/40 is equal to 0.10. Pero kung may calculator naman kayo, pwede nyo, okay lang kahit idiretso nyo na, no? Okay. Ulitin natin yung pag-solve. I think hindi siya 0.10. Okay. 7 5. We have 1, 40, 30, another 0. So, ilang 40 ang meron sa 300? I think it is 7. Kasi 280. Okay, so it's 0.17 or 17%. Okay, so this is the final answer. So, meron tayong 17% probability that yellow marble will be picked. Okay. Next. Okay. Letter C, black marble. So we have 8 black marbles. Okay. Ibalik na lang natin. Ayan. Medyo magulo ng ating board. Wait. Okay. So, let's write yellow marble. We have 17%. Okay. Durain na natin to. Okay, sabi, meron tayong 8 black marbles. So, this is 8/40. So, pwede pang i-lowest term. Divided by 4, we will get, or divided by 8 rather, we will get 1/5. Okay. Pwede pang i-lowest term? Hindi na. So, let's get the decimal form. So, 1 divided by 5. Yan. 2. Yan. So, we have 0.2 or 20%. So, ganyan lang po ang gagawin niyo. This is the final answer. Okay? So, 20% is the probability that black marbles will be picked. Okay, so this is finding the probability of a simple event. Next, let's proceed to experimental probability, which is in module 25. So, medyo hawig lang sila kasi kukunin mo lang din naman yung probability, okay? So, this is the ratio of the number of favorable outcomes and the total number of possible outcomes obtained in an actual experiment. Experimental probability. So, let's have an example. Charles has a bag containing 50 marbles. 30 of those marbles are green and 20 are yellow in color. Find the probability of the following. So, given na si sample space, which is yung 50. So, ayan. Ating sample space ay 50. Okay, guys, pakitandaan po na kapagka given na ang sample space or yung kabuuang number, hindi niyo na kailangang i-compute pa siya, no? Ayan, 50. So, let's get the probability of picking a green marble. So, ang ating green marble ay 30. Okay. So, 30 divided by 50. So, pwede pa siya ma-divide or ma-lowest term? Yes, divided by 10. So, we will get 3 over 5. So, kapag kinumpute mo sa calculator, 3 divided by 5, we'll get 0.6 or 60%. Okay. This is the answer. Yun na yun. How about picking a yellow marble? Ayan. So, we have 20 marbles. So, 20 over 50. No? Wait. Ayan, medyo lumaki. Okay. So, we have lipat natin. Ayan. Ayan. P of E is equal to 20 yellow marbles divided by possible outcomes. We have 50. So, we have 20 divided by 50 divided by 10. We have 2 over 5. So, getting the decimal form, 2 divided by 5 is equal to 0.4 or we have 40%. Yeah, this is the answer, no? Ayan. Let's have another example for experimental probability. Green marble, yellow marble. Ayan. Let's have another example. There are 12 marbles in a bag. 4 blue, 5 red, and 3 yellow. What is the probability of getting a letter A, blue marble, letter B, yellow marble, and letter C, red marble? So, given na si sample space, ano ang sample space natin dito or yung possible outcome natin? Ito yung 12. Okay. Yan. Sabihin, meron tayong 12 marbles in a bag. 12 possible outcomes. 12 yung chances natin na makapick ng marble. Okay? So let's get the probability of getting a blue marble. So blue marble, we have 4 blue marbles. Probability of an event is equal to 4 divided by the number of possible outcomes, which is 12. Yan. So, pwede pa itong lowest term divided by 4. So, we have 1/3. Or, 1 divided by 3 is equal to 0, 0. 0.333 or 33.33%. Next, what is the probability of getting a yellow marble? Ilan ang yellow marble natin? 3. So, sulat nyo lang. P of E is equal to 3 yellow marble. 3 over yung sample space, 12. Yan. Tapos, kung meron pang lowest term, i-lowest term natin. So, meron pa yan. We have 1/4 or 0.25 kapag ka dinivide nyo or 25%. Next, find the probability of getting a red marble. So, sa red marble, meron tayong 5. So, ito ay magiging 5 over 12. So, may lowest term pa ba? Wala na po. So, if i-divide nyo si 5 over 12 para makuha ang ating decimal form, the answer is 0.4167 or 41.67%. Okay. So, this is the final answer. Yan. Okay. Next slide. Yan. 33.33. Blue marble. Yellow marble, we have 25%. And red marble, we have 41.67%. Okay.